The Food Service Exchange presents.
Menu enhancement is one of the most active areas of food service today. Many of your clients often require new menu items. They're always searching to have more customers and to have their existing customers visit more frequently. Freshening up the menu is one way to do this. Equipex ovens come in compact, half, and full sizes, all with 4 shelf capacity. Regardless of its size, each oven offers high capacity in a small space. Whether the function needed is baking, roasting, reheating, or finishing, our convection ovens provide amazing flexibility and menu results. They are also ideal in appetizer or dessert stations and can provide a menu-specific solution if your cook line is very busy. All 5 quarter-size models offer true convection air pattern with a rear-mounted fan in order to evenly bake on all shelves. For especially small spaces, Equipex offers a vertical configuration with 5 shelf capacity. Some of the compact size models also feature high-speed quartz heating elements to turn the oven into a broiler in seconds. Our half-size oven, even coming in a 120-volt model, has a unique 4 shelf capacity. The sides, top, and double-pane glass door are fully insulated for user-friendly operation and safety. An interior light and sleek stainless steel finish add to its overall attractive look and make it ideal for front-of-the-house utilization. Optional high-speed quartz heating elements add to its versatility as well. The Equipex Quick Cook half-size oven is a unique multifunctional product offering 4 different settings for baking, cooking, and broiling. It is only available in 208/240 volt due to its powerful top and bottom elements, in addition to its rear-mounted convection fan. The 4 settings are detailed here on the slide as well as on our website, equipex.com. From pastries and appetizers to meat and fish, as well as pies and lasagnas, this oven does it all. Equipex full-size convection ovens offer the most sophistication for bread baking and other similar menu items. A manual steam injection feature allows for adding steam at the beginning of the bake cycle for a delicious crust. A 2-speed motor can be adjusted to a lower setting for more delicate foods. It also features a turbine fan system that reverses automatically every 2 minutes to assure that baking is done evenly throughout the oven. Should a proofer be required, Equipex can also offer one that is uniquely suited for the full-size oven. With pizza being the #1 takeout and delivery food, it is important to be able to bake high-quality pizza in a short time. Equipex ovens bake pizza on a real brick deck, offering the appeal of authenticity. The single and double deck ovens can accommodate a 16-inch round pizza, while the rectangular size will cook flatbreads or a multitude of personal-sized pizzas. These high-production pizza ovens can even be adjusted to different crust thickness and can bake pizza in 3 to 6 minutes. The pizza ovens can all be stacked with an easy addition of a stacking kit from Equipex, and if hood ventilation is needed for any of the convection or pizza ovens, Equipex offers its patented small appliance vent hood with a special configuration for front-loading appliances. All Equipex products are made in the USA and are tested to the necessary standards during assembly. We have over 20 years of experience in the food service solutions industry and are happy to answer any questions you may have. Please visit www.equipex.com for more information.